Welcome to Block 7. In this video, we will explore Chalet, a renovated and redesigned vacation home by Birdseye. Located on Stratton Mountain, Vermont, this home was originally a deteriorating 1960s structure. The project preserves the old foundation while introducing a new, modern design that harmonizes with its surroundings. This 5,000 square foot chalet embraces the architectural elements of mid-century ski homes, such as gabled roofs, large glass openings, and natural wood materials. The primary structure consists of two gabled volumes connected by a modern black mass, creating a striking contrast. Recycled Douglas fir arranged in a chevron pattern clads the facade, echoing the classic details of mid-century architecture. Designed for year-round comfort, the home features a sunken living room with a wood-burning stove, kitchen and dining area, primary suite, two ensuite bedrooms, garage, office, and fitness room on the main floor. The lower level, which directly connects to the ski slopes, includes a ski room and TV lounge, game room and bunk bedroom, an additional bedroom suite, and a laundry area. The outdoor spaces enhance the connection with nature, offering a living room porch, breakfast terrace, fire pit area, and a hot tub terrace. The interior of Chalet is dominated by white oak, applied to the floors, walls, and ceilings, creating a warm and natural ambiance. Custom-built furniture and interior elements such as doors, bookshelves, kitchen cabinets, and bunk beds were crafted by local artisans using New Hampshire-sourced materials. Beyond its functional design, Chalet incorporates sustainability strategies, including recycled snow fencing cladding, 100% native plants requiring no irrigation, and a rainwater drainage system to prevent erosion. High-performance R40 walls, R60 roofs, and triple-pane windows maximize energy efficiency, while a fossil fuel-free geothermal HVAC system provides heating and cooling. Construction waste was managed through careful material separation and recycling during the renovation process. Chalet exemplifies how a vacation home can merge classic architecture with modern innovation while remaining in harmony with its surroundings. Through natural materials, contextual design, and sustainable technology, this home offers both comfort and environmental consciousness. What do you think of Chalet's design? Share your thoughts in the comments and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more home design inspiration. See you in the next video.